How to update or edit your Facebook page description. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is simply launch a Facebook application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account and you have switched to your Facebook page. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then simply tap on the gear icon. As you tap on the gear icon, simply scroll down and here on the audience and visibility category, you can see the option of page setup. So you can just tap on page setup over here. You can change your name, you can have your page access and so on. After that, go back and tap on page and tagging. So you can share who can post on your page and what others post on your page, who can see them and so on. After doing all of this, you can now just go back to your profile over here and then tap on the three dotted lines over here. Now select on edit, and as you tap on edit here, you'll be able to just add or describe your page over here. So you can just add anything on your bio, details on about your address, phone number, emails, hours and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.